let's learn how to build automations into your Xenia operations templates. Let's head over to this question here. Is the front area sanitized and cleaned? Here we have a multiple choice question with 2 response options, yes or no. By checking off required on this step, we can make this question mandatory, ensuring the checklist submitter cannot submit the checklist without answering it. We can also require images to be captured, so regardless of whether the submitter responds with yes or no, an image must be taken. Now, let's discuss response-based automations for specific steps. Click the Add Automations button to trigger actions based on a yes response. We can require image capture or send notifications to specific users and teams via SMS or email. We can also ask follow-up questions to request specific details related to a response or require a corrective task to be created in response to the issue. Finally, we can flag responses using flagged reporting categories and our favorite, automatically create and assign tasks to rectify issues identified in checklists or inspections, ensuring every issue is raised, assigned, and tracked through to completion. In this case, let's require an image capture. When someone responds with yes, it will be mandatory to take a photo to prove the area was sanitized. Let's go ahead and add another automation. For a no response, we'll send a notification to our management team. This will include a push notification, an SMS, and an email. We can also configure when this notification will be sent, either immediately or upon submission of the entire checklist. Let's try another example. Let's ask follow-up questions when the submitter responds with no. Here I'll ask them to specify why the front area was not sanitized properly. I'll leave this as an open-ended text answer to allow the submitter to type in their own explanation. Let's add another automation to flag this response as a sanitation issue. Here we can select that if the submitter responds with no, we can trigger a flagged response and then select the sanitation issue category. In Xenia's reporting dashboards, we can use this flagged category to track the frequency of sanitation issues over any chosen time interval. This was just an example. Feel free to get creative with your own flagged categories. Xenia can also trigger automations based on specific temperature responses and number responses. Let's add an automation where if the answer is greater than 0 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature issue task will be automatically created from a template and assigned to a specific user or team with a task category of issue. Now, anytime an answer exceeds 0 degrees, a task will be created and assigned automatically. We'll cover how to create, customize, and configure your task templates in the following video. Now that your automations are set up, you can publish this checklist and start triggering automations based on your team's responses.